What's up guys? Welcome to another Tita Tuesday. Ito na naman ang araw na pinakahihintay ng lahat. So as you guys know, my name is Lian and I also go in the pseudonym of What Snaps. And I do photographs, I do a lot of stuff, I do art, I do makeup, anything that requires your hands. You can think of things that you can use your hands. But yeah, I'm gonna show you an aesthetic look for today, and it's gonna be a lace babe aesthetic. So as you can see, I've been wearing this lace blouse and this berry necklace because we're gonna be a soft girl today. So without further ado, let's start this makeup tutorial. Enough with the blabbering and let's go. So let's start this look by clipping on my hair, and I look like an egg, just like what other egg looks like. Okay, so for the base, I'm gonna start off with a moisturizer. I'm not gonna put on some primer today because I ain't going nowhere. Like down below if you agree that you should conserve your makeup because we don't know how long this quarantine will be, so we shall conserve our resources. Let me dot this all over my face. Okay, so the moisturizer is now laid. Now we can proceed into our foundations. I'm gonna blend it with a sponge. I already mentioned about this sponge on my last makeup tutorial, so you probably know how cheap this is. So just like on my other tutorial, I'm gonna use a mixture of this foundation to get my right shade. You all know that I've been changing my skin tone a lot, so I need to mix and match my foundation in order to get my right shade. So I'm just gonna add another layer of foundation because I already told you that I wanted to make my skin as clear as possible. So this time I'm just gonna add a bit of the Ivory foundation because it's more lighter. Wala na tayong dadagdag na layers of foundation. I'm gonna set already. This girl does not have a lot of makeup, so I'm just gonna use again the Nichido final powder. Just like what I did on my other tutorial, I'm gonna put this underneath my eyes or dun sa mga place kung saan ako madaling nag-crease. So after that, I'm just gonna brush that off. Hindi ako nag-bake. Remember guys, hindi ko siya nilalagay dito sa buong face ko kasi mamaya magsaset ako ng whole face using another powder. So okay na tayo guys sa Nichido final powder. Now we're going to proceed sa Bobbie Cosmetics. You already know my shade. I'm in the shade So Pinay. So the powder is now done. And it's setted my whole face already. So I'm gonna proceed on contouring. Same product, BTLA Contour Kit. This time I'm gonna use the shade Light Bronzer. I'm gonna have the brows. So, for the brows, I'm gonna use this cheap eyebrow pencil. Yes, dito 20 pesos lang siya. Ito yung merong, yung mga knock-off na eyebrow pencil, but it does work and I actually recommend this. Hindi dahil sa knock-off sila ng brand, but because of the quality. So, I'm gonna start off by lining my brow dito sa dulo. Grab your spoolie, guys, and brush that up. So, kung meron kayong brow soap, guys, much better. Gamitin nyo yon kasi talagang napapatayo niya yung mga strands ng brows nyo. So, I'm gonna use this Hypercurl Mascara. magko-conceal na tayo ng ating brows. Just blend that. So I'm just gonna finish the other brow off camera and I'll be right back. So the brows, guys, are looking oh so fine already. So now we're going to proceed on the eyes, our favorite part. Now for this part, I'm gonna use this Sweet and Shimmer palette. I don't know where this is from, but it's made in China. Very cute, very sweet. So para mag-pop up talaga yung color nitong palette na to, I'm gonna use this shade from the Bobbie Cosmetics Don't Go With The Flaw CC palette. And ito yung gagamitin ko bilang base layer sa aking eyelids. So I'm gonna start off with my transition shade. So yan, gagamitin natin tong peachy pink na to. Okay, sumasara siya ng kusa. For sure, hindi siya masyadong pigmented. I'm not having too much expectation on this palette. So let us try. Sabagay, it's a light pink. Pero, diba? Walang kulay, girl. So I'm just gonna grab on the darker pink. So, nilagay ko siya lower kesa dun sa transition shade na nilagay natin kanina. Hindi ako sanay na binabasa yung mga matte shades, pero para sa pigmentation ito, gusto ko siyang basayan. Constant blending. So now, grabbing a smaller brush, kuha ko nung darker pink dito sa lower lash line. And just blend that. So I'm gonna use this Kylie Cosmetics Cream Shadow in the shade Copper. I actually don't like this. Kinda sucks. Bumili ako ng rose gold nito na kulay. Girl, hindi mo nagustuhan. So, ito naman, yung jelly highlighter ng Elf. So, I'm just gonna use this on my inner corners. So, I got my contacts, pero as you can see, magkaiba sila ng color. Isang gemstone green, tsaka isang brown. So, I like using them together because aesthetic. Mukhang iguana. Pero okay lang yun. Glitter. Random glitter lang siya sa Shopee. Parang mermaid glitter lang. So, ayan. Okay na yung glitter sa ating mga mata. So, pwede na siguro tayo mag-proceed sa eyeliner. So, I'm just gonna finish off my eyeliner off camera because this will be a struggle. I really hate eyeliners. So, I'll be right back. So, eyeliner looking pretty decent. So, we're going to proceed into the eyelashes. Hindi ko na gagawin yung transition ginawa ko because that sucked. So, lashes are on. So, blush. Yung DIY ko ulit. So, I'm gonna use this brush and this blush. So, gagawin natin yung talamak na drunk blush. So, remember guys, pag mga lace aesthetic and soft girl vibes, remember, they only use their hands when applying their makeup. So, ito medyo more on maarting side na to actually. Kasi dito ako sanay. Hindi naman talaga ako soft girl. So, medyo i-concentrate ko siya dito para kitang-kita talaga yung color, no? Yung konti dito. So, ayun nga guys, no, mag-highlight na tayo. I sprayed on some collagen face mist para mas maging intact yung aking naging makeup at mas maging skin-like yung texture, no? But I'm going to use this Ellefar Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm just gonna grab the lightest shade. Let me help myself. Oh my god. Tapos, my favorite highlighting brush. So for my lipstick, I'm going to have a pinky nude. This is the number 4 sa Ashley Shine matte lipstick. Maglalagay pa din ako ng deeper pink dun sa middle. So Ashley Shine pa rin, but this time it's in the number 7. Grabbing a brush, I'm just gonna softly blend the two together. Pero dadagdagan pa natin yung gradient by putting on foundation over my lips. Then you're gonna purse your lips together. It's looking like a mess, but you need to blend it. Like that. That concludes our makeup. So I'm just gonna finish off the look, then I'm gonna proceed din sa outfit for the soft lace aesthetic. Okay, so this look is already finished. As you can see, in this outfit, you can see me wearing a corduroy pants, and that corduroy pants only cost me 75 pesos. Ito, nakuha ko siya dun sa isa sa mga ukay na sinasabi ko sa inyo na malaking ukay-ukay sa may Intramuros. So, you should go and visit that, guys. Then, this one, nakuha ko siya sa Las Piñas. It only cost me 35 pesos. So, ayun. This outfit right here is just a total of 110 pesos. So, yun guys, diba? You can have that with a block heel. You can also use a white rubber shoes for that. Outfit right here is only 110 pesos and it's so versatile and it goes well in this makeup. So, nagmasaya naman ako sa outcome. Ayan, cutie naman siya. Ayan, I had my hair using this gel. So, yan, ganyan ko lang siya. Pero, hindi ko siya ma-achieve kasi pinagpapawisan ako. So, nawawala yung dikit ng gel. Tsaka, yung gel na gamit ko, yung Young's gel lang. Yung pinakamurang gel sa buong mundo. Hindi ko alam kung bakit kausap ko yung salamin kesa sa inyo. Pero, ayun. Tara na nga natin to. Diyos ko po. Ngayon, kung nagustuhan niyo tong buong tema nitong video na to, please let me know. Subscribe down below, hit the notification bell para naman lagi kayong updated sa mga video na gagawin ko every week. Hopefully, lagi ko nang magawa to, as in weekly. At pala, habang naka-quarantine, nag-iipon ako ng videos para, mayroon ako laging na-upload na video every week. That's cheating, but dinalan pa ako ng merienda ng nanay ko. Guess what, bitch? Steak, oh. I'm so stupid. Wala na ako ibang masabi kundi salamat sa panonood at sana makita ko pa uli kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko. Mag-subscribe, mag-like, mag-comment, lahat gawin nyo. Huwag nyo lang i-dislike yung video ko. Or huwag nyo i-copyright claim. So, ayun nga guys. See you on the next one. I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye!